In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update time zones in Notion. Getting your time zone right keeps reminders, due dates, and calendar views accurate, so your tasks and projects reflect your actual day. Whether you are traveling, working across regions, or just noticed your timelines are off, this quick update will keep everything aligned. Start by opening Notion on the web or desktop. Look at the left-hand sidebar and click Settings and Members. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover near the left edge, or press the toggle to reveal it. Then select Settings and Members to open the Settings panel. Inside the settings, go to Preferences. Depending on your version, this may be labeled My Settings, but both take you to the same place where personal preferences live. This is your own account's area, separate from workspace-wide options, and it controls how times appear just for you. Scroll down until you find the Language and Time section. This section handles things like interface language and date formatting. But for now, we're focusing on the time zone setting. You have two ways to manage your time zone for the most hands-off experience. Turn on Automatically Update Time Zone. With this enabled, Notion will follow your device's current location and system clock, which is perfect if you travel or switch between cities frequently. If your device asks for permission to determine time settings, make sure that's allowed. After toggling it on, give your page a quick refresh if needed, and your timelines, calendars, and reminders should adjust to your current location. If you prefer to lock your account to a specific region, turn the automatic option off, then choose your time zone from the drop-down menu. You can search by city or region, and once selected, Notion will apply that setting consistently, no matter where your device is. This is helpful if you collaborate across time zones and want to keep your dates anchored to a single place. Keep in mind that daylight saving time is handled automatically for the time zone you pick. A quick tip: if times still look off, double-check your computer's clock. Refresh your Notion window or sign out and back in. Also remember that each person in a shared workspace controls their own time zone, so what you see can differ from teammates based on their preferences. That's it. You've updated your time zone in Notion and ensured your schedules reflect real time. Thanks for watching.